of the upper Midwest. Let's take a peek, though, what's headed into the east, because we are still seeing some wintry weather out of this storm as it makes its way into our northeastern states, really interior northeast sections of, say, New England. Not going to be an event for you guys in a place like New York or Philadelphia. Right now, we've got some of that snow, again, still continuing across parts of the Midwest, the upper Great Lakes. So Minnesota into Iowa, northern parts of lower Michigan, as well as the UP, we have snow showers coming down. Road conditions, they've been getting a little bit better, but they're still not great. A lot of impassable roadways across the central and western part of the state of Nebraska, with plenty of road conditions at least being reported as covered. So if you can limit travel today, I still would give them time to get everything cleaned up. In the state of Minnesota, we've got plenty of slick road conditions. That's the blue. So nearly the entire state, from up near International Falls all the way down to the Iowa state line, dealing with at least some slippery conditions. What's left to come here across this region? Plenty of 1 to 3, 3 to 5 inch totals. The deeper shade of blue, those are some 3 to 5 inch amounts. So I don't think we're going to see too much more. I think most areas are looking at 1, 2, or 3 additional inches. Then, as the storm moves into the northeast, we've got alerts posted for parts of central New York, the North Country, as well as our New England states. And take a look. We've got winter storm warning for parts of New Hampshire and for Maine. That's where we'll see a little bit extra in the way of snowfall. You can see some of those totals up to a foot in southern Vermont and New Hampshire. Getting into Maine, the Portland area, I think 5 to 8 inches a good bet for you. Syracuse, obviously, in that advisory criteria, 1 to 3 inches likely for central New York. And then, Dr. Nab, more opportunities for snow coming in as we head through the second half of the week.
At the mountains, sometimes they need just a short time out from the weather, don't they?
Give me a minute,
right.
Then bring it back.
Lauren, great to talk to you. That is Lauren Burke, Communications Director for Mammoth Ski Area. What a year they have had so far. I mean, incredible.
Yeah, you know, like she says, it's come with its challenges, but for the most part, the skiing's great.
Yeah.
The response from skiers, snowboarders, I mean, they got to be salivating if they haven't made it out there yet.